hands.
Slime gone wrong. Oh my golly.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I found this Poopsie.
Where?
From a
Virgin store.
Virgin store.
Okay.
Let's open it. What it do? Oopsie. There. Can you help me with this? Thank you.
It says Poopsie Slime Surprise.
Oh.
It says, let us read it first, please.
Yeah.
It says, make unicorn poop. Unicorn poop? Isn't that disgusting?
Yeah. Like this. Well, this is a giant blind bag. Whoa. I check on this list. I have all of the Poopsie friends. I love the Poopsie friends. Whoa. Wow. And here are the stickers.
It says, Poopsie Slime Surprise.
Oh.
Early bird turds.
How big?
Bessie cow pie. Daisy cow pie.
I love the
Deuce boo boo and holy goopy pie.
I think this is the cup.
Hmm?
This is the cup.
You can open it now.
Okay. It's a cup. I'll get it. Get it. Here. Let's open this plum box. Here. Open it, please.
It's the Poopsie!
Yeah, for the slime.
Show us your Poopsie, please.
It's a unicorn Poopsie.
It has what?
And it's a keychain. You can hang it on your backpack. See?
Mm-hmm. And look at those eyes.
Well, this is going to be. So how are we gonna make it?
Oh.
How are we gonna make it?
What is it?
Only a box with no slime. So how are we gonna make? I'm gonna make this out. It's sticking. There you go. This is the unicorn magic. See?
You think so?
Yeah. See?
Show us, please. It says unicorn food.
Oh. And this is the unicorn magic.
Yes,
Whoa,
it's the
another
unicorn
blind.
magic. What's that blind bag?
I don't know. Another blind bag. Oops. It's great. Thank you. Then, that's all of the blind bags.
You can open the blind bags. These two blind bags.
Can you help me, please? Thank you. Wow, it's a spray bottle. It was shaped like a unicorn. Unicorn or.
Ooh, it has something inside.
Yeah, that's for the unicorn magic.
Okay, we will read the instructions, okay? Atata will help you formulate the slime.
Okay.
Okay, I will read the instructions for you guys,
Okay.
and Atata will help you, okay?
Okay.
To make a poopsie slime, we need a magic spoon, a surprise scent, a unicorn magic, and the unicorn food. Make unicorn poop. Remove the lid from the included bottle.
This?
Yes, perfect. And then fill the measuring cup to the fill
Wow.
line marked 15 ml.
Make the job. And it's fast. And then the week.
And then pour it. And then we need another 15 ml of water.
Yeah. Have to be careful not to spill it.
Then add 5 drops of the surprise scent. 5 drops only, Sarah.
Okay.
Okay, you can put 5 drops now of the scent. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Perfect. Please cover it. And then
We can close.
tear open the unicorn food packet and pour the powder into the bottle.
This?
Yes, unicorn food.
It's green.
It's green.
Yeah. It's turning.
Tightly close the lid on the bottle. Hold the lid and rapidly shake the bottle up and down for 1 minute.
Okay.
Okay, please close it tightly. And then it says, yes, rapidly shake bottle up and down for 1 minute. And then I think that's 1 minute, and then it says, then let the mixture sit for 15 to 20 minutes to allow the slime to harden. 15 minutes had passed. So open the lid and remove the slime from the bottle.
Whoa.
Is it slimy?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, open the Unicorn Magic Pocket. Unicorn Magic Pocket.
Yeah. There's,
Hold the slime in the palm. Put the slime on your hand, please.
okay. There. Look at you read. Whoa. Whoa. Here that is the slime it is. And it's so this
Is it ready yet?
Not
yet.
kind of.
I think it's not yet ready. So 20 minutes had passed. We have to check our slime now. Please open the lid and remove slime from the
Whoa.
bottle. Can you mix it first with the spoon?
Yep.
Do you think it's ready?
Kind of.
And then it says, turn open the Unicorn Magic Pocket. So we have opened it. And hold the slime in the palm of one hand. You can put a little bit of slime in the palm of your one hand.
Cannot. Whoa, 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 whoa. So slimy.
Okay, I think that's enough for now.
Whoa,
Then
still.
can you mix it on your palm of your hand? Yeah, is it slimy?
Kind of. It's not breaking. It's not actually sticking.
And then it says, pour the powder onto the center of the slime.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think it's not nice. Or did we do something wrong with it? Maybe you didn't shake it nicely. Maybe you need to play with it to make it less sticky. How will you do it, Atata? Can you please do it for Sarah? I think it's gone wrong.
Look at my hands.
Slime gone wrong. Oh my golly. Okay. I think we need to proceed. If I will rate this, I will rate it like 2 out of 10. Oh my golly, did we do something wrong, or it's just like this? It's not so good. Okay, and then it says open the keychain container by removing the cover on the bottom of the keychain. Do it please, Sarah.
My hands are slimy.
Oops.
Whoa. Wait. It's actually crashed now.
Yeah,
And you can do the others.
So it says open the keychain container by removing the cover of the bottom of the keychain, and then store the slime inside of the keychain container. Then replace the cover under the keychain. Okay.
It's already open.
Yes, that's where you store your slime, and then you close it and keep it when you're done playing. Yeah.
Woohoo.
And that's all for the Poopsie Slime surprise.
Yeah.
I really got surprised.
That's all for tonight.
And this is our Poopsie Slime surprise that is really surprising.
Yeah.
Say please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yala.
Make sure to subscribe.
subscribe. Bye.
Bye. Oh, yes. Yes. Way to go. Way to go. Way to go.
Can you give me some of that, please?
This?
The slime that you have.
And yeah.
Because it's too sticky. No, give it all so it will become non-sticky. I'll give it back to you.
And then I'll pour some more.
Yeah, give it to me, please. Thank you.
Well, if you need some help from me, you ask me. Even you can use it as a keychain. See? You can hair on your backpack and take it off again. And then play with your slime again. And then put it on your backpack again. And then go out and then remove your keychain and then play with it again.
Yeah.
Then you're at school. Are you done yet?